patty.
YouTube. What you jumping for, gang?
What it do, crew?
Look yourself. It's the what?
D.Chanel incline. D.Chanel incline.
And we back with another thing. This right here gonna be the Amaranth vegetable patties, man. Ain't this the happy cell? Ain't this the thing that I said look like croquettes?
You say everything look like croquettes.
I do.
Yeah. Everything.
So what's the first thing? The whole first process.
Okay, so first we're going to do the preheat your oven to 400. So that's already
400.
doing its thing. And then next you're going to oil up your pan with the olive oil and cook your onions.
Let's get started.
Once it's soft, you're going to add in your zucchini and your kale, and you're going to cook that until the kale is wilted. So kind of let it shimmer in the middle. You know how you like your onions.
Looking like you? If it don't look like you, I don't want it. I'm for real.
You want me?
Yep. Just gonna put some lips on it. Dance like the old people?
Yeah. Ooh, get down now!
So we're gonna let that thing sit for like 15 minutes on the stove. And then
15 minutes. Just until the kale is wilted. You might have to take it. You're gonna cook it until the kale is wilted. So keep on cooking, honey. You got it. Once it's done, you want to add the mixture into the bowl.
Got done throwing all of our ingredients up in here. Now it's up in the bowl, and then D.Chanel she got her baking sheet already ready, and we gonna throw it doesn't say it in the instructions, but we gonna throw our parchment paper on it for easy cleanup. You know D.Chanel's rule, man, easy cleanup. So with that being said, now that we done gave it a good stir, you know what I'm saying? Now what we're gonna do with this thing, Mr. D.Chanel?
We're going to go ahead and
Is
shape
it good? It's
these.
cool?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and shape them into little patties. Place them on the parchment paper, and then stick them in the oven for 15 minutes on one side. Then you want to flip it and then let it cook for another 15 minutes.
So find that bowl with that bowl at.
Come on. You know what I said?
This is the bowl. This is the bowl I was looking for. Right. This is the bowl I was looking for.
What? Okay.
Thing look good.
Now we're gonna put them in the oven for 15 minutes.
Let's do it.
Is complete. Now we're just going to plate them and taste them.
Ooh, I like how you said that. So you ready to taste this thing?
Yeah.
Taste this thing.
Which one you want?
A big piece now.
Moist, soft.
I'm trying to smell it first.
I like veggies.
You ready to taste this thing? I'm trying to look at it. Let me quit looking.
Ooh, hot.
It's decent. It's not my type of thing, but it's decent. Once again, you okay? Mm-hmm. Once again, if you on your alkaline diet, I could really see somebody eating this and tearing this up. I could taste where it's going, actually. I really can. Ooh. This is like the alkaline version of a croquette. I'm real. This one is.
You can wait. So finally, had an example.
This is decent. On a scale from 1 to 10, me, I give this a 6. But an alkaline person is gonna get this like an 8.5, 9. Facts. You know what I'm saying? It's decent. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's decent. I wouldn't eat it because, you know, it's just not my type of
I don't like the texture.
Yeah, it's too soft on the inside.
Yeah, and then it has like the grit from the
Amaranth.
Yeah, that I don't. Yeah.
It's cool though. It's decent. But it ain't about our opinion. You know what I'm saying? We just make it. You know what I'm saying? Present it to y'all so we can get y'all ideas of what to possibly make in y'all household on y'all journey. So with that being said, feel free to check it out if it looks good. I'm letting you know right now it's decent. It's not bad at all. So just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump up in that comment section. You hear me? Share it to somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Please.
And we out, man. D.Chanel Show.